Hey guys, I'm going to be showing how to use the SUMIF function on Excel. So I'm going to present two scenarios. First, let's say you want to calculate the number of apples consumed by those who've consumed more than 10 apples. Well, you're going to press equal SUMIF, the range, so let's say all the apple cells here. The criteria, you're going to put it in quotations. It needs to be in quotations. You're going to write greater than 10. Close the parentheses, press enter, and there you have it, 95. Second scenario, you're going to type in SUMIF, and let's say you want to know the total number of bananas consumed by people named Beatrice. So we're going to have to add an extra factor here. You're going to type in the range of names considered. The criteria, you're going to put in quotations Beatrice, and the sum range, the numbers you'll be adding, are in the bananas column. Close the parentheses, press enter, and there you have it, 40.